Hi and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the law of attraction and how it can help you manifest your desires. But before we dive in, let's take a quick look at what the law of attraction is and how it works. The law of attraction is the belief that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to shape our reality. Essentially, it states that what we focus on and believe in is what we will attract into our lives. It is the belief that positive or negative thoughts bring positive or negative experiences into a person's life. According to the law of attraction, if you focus on positive thoughts and feelings, you will attract positive experiences and circumstances into your life. On the other hand, if you focus on negative thoughts and feelings, you will attract negative experiences and circumstances. The law of attraction is often associated with the idea of creating your own reality, or the belief that you can manifest your own circumstances through your thoughts and actions. Some people believe that the law of attraction can be used to bring specific things into a person's life, such as money, relationships, or material possessions. While the law of attraction is not a scientifically recognized concept, many people believe in its power and use it as a tool for personal growth and manifestation. The law of attraction is often used in conjunction with other personal development techniques, such as visualization and affirmations, to help people achieve their goals and create the life they want. Visualization is a technique that involves creating a mental image or scenario of what you want to achieve or manifest in your life. When you visualize your goals, you can see them in your mind's eye as if they have already happened. This can help you focus your thoughts and energy on what you want to manifest, and can also help you feel more positive and motivated. Here are some examples of visualization that you can use to help manifest your goals and desires. Visualize your ideal job. Imagine yourself in your dream job, performing tasks and responsibilities that you enjoy. See yourself receiving recognition and rewards for your hard work. Visualize your ideal relationship. Imagine yourself in a happy and fulfilling relationship with your perfect partner. See yourself enjoying activities and experiences together, and feeling loved and supported. Visualize financial abundance. Imagine yourself having all the financial resources you need to live the life you want. See yourself making wise financial decisions, and watch your money grow and expand. Visualize good health. Imagine yourself feeling healthy and full of energy. See yourself eating nutritious meals, exercising regularly, and taking care of your physical and emotional well-being. Remember to be as specific and detailed as possible when visualizing your goals, and to focus on the emotions and feelings that you want to experience. This can help make your visualization more powerful and effective. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, either out loud or in your head. Affirmations can help you focus your thoughts on what you want to achieve, and can also help you believe in your ability to manifest your goals. Here are some examples of affirmations that you can use to help manifest your goals and desires. I am worthy and deserving of love and abundance. I am confident and capable of achieving my goals. I am healthy and full of energy. I am grateful for the abundance in my life. I am attracting prosperity and success into my life. Remember to make your affirmations positive and present tense, as if they are already happening. Also, try to make your affirmations specific and personal to your goals and desires. Repeating affirmations on a daily basis can help you stay focused and motivated, and can also help you believe in your ability to manifest your goals. There are a few tips you can follow to make the most of your affirmations. Say your affirmations with conviction. Believe in the words you are saying and make them a part of your belief system. Say your affirmations out loud. Speaking your affirmations out loud can help you internalize them and make them feel more real. Say your affirmations in the present tense. Use present tense language, as if the things you are affirming are already happening. For example, I am healthy and full of energy rather than I will be healthy and full of energy. Make your affirmations specific and personal. Use affirmations that are specific to your goals and desires, and that resonate with you personally. Repeat your affirmations regularly. The more often you repeat your affirmations, the more they will sink in and become a part of your belief system. Try repeating your affirmations several times a day, or whenever you need a boost of motivation or positivity. By using visualization and affirmations in conjunction with the law of attraction, you can focus your thoughts and energy on what you want to manifest and believe that it is possible to achieve it. This can help you stay positive and motivated, and can also help you attract the circumstances and experiences that you want in your life. Set specific, clear goals for what you want to manifest. Be as specific as possible, and make sure your goals are in alignment with your values and beliefs. Visualize your goals as if they've already been achieved. This helps to train your brain to focus on what you want and helps to create a sense of belief and expectation. Practice affirmations daily. Repeat positive affirmations to yourself, such as "I am worthy of love" or "I am deserving of success." This helps to reinforce your goals and beliefs. Take action towards your goals. While the law of attraction can help to bring your desires to you, it's important to also take action towards achieving them. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it with your friends and loved ones. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we post new videos on personal growth, manifestation, and the law of attraction. And by sharing, you'll help us spread positivity and inspiration to even more people. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to success.